dashing through the snow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I clean my brushes and my sponges as a makeup artist, especially during this festive period when there are a lot of clients. Right, so these are my dirty brushes. These ones are clean, and these are my sponges. And for every client I make sure I use a clean set of brushes, clean sponges. You don't want to transfer bacteria from client to client. So yeah guys, I always make sure I use clean brushes, especially on the face. The eyes can be manageable, but when it comes to the face, I always make sure to use clean brushes. So yeah guys, I'm going to show you guys how I clean my brushes as a makeup artist. I'm going to start first with this sponges, and this is the detergent I'll be using. You can use any soap of your choice, liquid soap or sunlight, any soap of your choice. So I'm just going to put that into the water. Oh, and by the way, I'm using cold water, and I'm just going to dump the sponges inside the water and let it sit for some time, soaking up. I'm just going to keep it aside, and I'm going to grab this bowl and I'm going to go in with my detergent. And I'm going to be quite generous. Pour in some water. So now I'm just going to dip my brushes with the heads like so. And I do this because it's going to soak up the product without necessarily getting into where the glue is, so that the hair fibers doesn't fall off or shed. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah, I prefer to do it this way. I'm just going to dip the ends and let it soak up the soapy water. So I'm just going to take it up, and you can see the dirt is already coming off. So one at a time, I'm just going to rub it to help with the process. Look at that. And I usually like to start with the brushes that are less dirty, then I work my way up to the ones that are very dirty. That will be the foundation brush and my eyeshadow brushes. And I usually don't let too much water get in here because it's going to weaken the glue, and the hairs are going to shed or start falling off. As you can see, it has soaked up a lot of water, and I'm just going to squeeze that and rub it. As you can see, this one wasn't really very dirty, so I'm just going to give it a light scrub. So I always start with the ones that are less dirty. little bit of detergent or soap and just scrub that, and I assure you it is going to come right off. So after scrubbing, I'm just going to pour in some clean water into the sponges, and I'm just going to rub that to remove all the soap that is stuck inside. I'm just going to rub that, and I'm not going to show you guys everything, but just know you have to change your water more than once or twice, depending on how the quantity of soap that gets stuck into your foam, your sponges, sorry. So guys, I usually rinse mine like 4 to 5 times till all the soap comes out. So you want to make sure you do the same and nothing is left inside. Yeah, so these are my sponges looking all clean and neat. So yeah guys, I rinsed that a couple of times and the water is clear. So now I'm going to go back to my brushes. I did set them aside so that they should soak up the soap, and now I'm just going to scrub that, and this is very easy. Once the brushes soak up the soap, you're just going to scrub it and it's just going to come right off. I'm just going to rinse that a couple of times, and yeah. So once you are done rinsing the brushes, you just dry them, and that is it, you guys. So yes guys, these are my clean brushes and sponges. So like I said, you don't want to use dirty brushes on your clients. Always make sure you wash your brushes and your sponges after every use. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you did enjoy it or you did learn a thing or two. Please leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and if you've ever or you've never washed your brushes, let me know in the comment section. I hope you start washing them from today. So yeah, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome, and please subscribe before you leave and binge on my other videos, okay? And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.